I just spent the most incredible 3 days with Jonathan Royal here in Sacramento. I've been to courses for the last 5 years, probably 4 a year, with all the hypnotists in this country, hypnotist schools. Nobody has ever answered any questions or given me the ability to actually walk out of this door today and earn money within an hour of leaving here, and to know how to get traffic into my office, how to get traffic in any area that I want to work, and way beyond any of my wildest dreams. This is the only course anybody ever needs to do. Don't waste your money on anybody else.